I'm Rose from Encoder Fashion. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to access the library in CLO-3D version 2025 and how to get free shoes using CLO-Connect. Let's get to it! Number 1. CLO-3D workspace. So here we are in the CLO-3D workspace. On my left side, I have the 3D toolbar. On my right side, I have the 2D toolbar. In older versions of CLO, the asset library used to be on the left side, but in the new 2025 version, the asset library has been moved to the right side. Number 2, opening the libraries. To open it, click on the library icon. By default, the first thing you'll see here is the avatar section. If avatar isn't selected, just click on it. Now, in this section, we can choose from different options like baby, female, hanger, kid, male avatars, and more. For this example, I'm going to load a female avatar. By default, CLO gives us 4 avatars in the libraries. Let's go ahead and double-click on Maya. CLO will ask if I want to save my current projects. I'll click no because I don't have anything important open, but if you are working on your own project, make sure to save before moving on. Number 3, fixing the avatar's hair. Alright, now Maya has loaded into the scene. You might notice her hair looks a little strange, kind of transparent or funky. That's normal. To fix it, go to the vertical toggle menu, click on 3D display, and just like that, her hair looks normal again. This is exactly how we want the avatar to appear. Number 4, moving around the workspace. Now let's quickly go over how to move around in the workspace. To rotate, just right-click and drag. Depending on your settings, you may also need to hold Command or Control while right-clicking. To pan, hold Option and left-click. These controls help us move smoothly around the avatar. Number 5, exploring fabrics and trims. Inside the libraries, we also have other categories like fabric, trim, and stitch. You can change the view to either icons or a lit view. I'll switch to icons so we can see everything clearly. Number 6, CLO-Connect Asset. Now let's talk about CLO-Connect Asset. This section includes items uploaded by other users as well as official CLO assets. Most CLO-Connect assets are free, and you'll know because they have the CLO-Connect logo next to them. You can use these freely in your design, but remember, you cannot sell the avatars themselves. You can only sell your own garments. If you uncheck the free filter, you'll also see assets that are available for purchase. For example, if you create your own avatar or poses, you can list them here for sale. Number 7, finding free shoes. Now let's look at what we really came for. Free shoe. In the search bar, type in shoe. You'll see a lot of results here. Many are free, but I recommend using the ones with the CLO-Connect logo because they are higher quality and don't need much fixing. I'll go ahead and click on one of these free shoes. As you can see, it's downloading right now. And just like that, the shoes appears directly on our avatar. Super simple, right? Number 8, finishing touches. Before we wrap up, let's look at a couple of more settings. To hide the floor grid, go to Environment, Show Ground Grid, and uncheck it. If your avatar looks like she's floating above the ground, just right-click on her and select Move Avatar and Garment to Ground. Now she's standing right on the floor. Perfect. And that is it. Now you know how to access the libraries in CLO-3D 2025, how to explore CLO-Connect assets, and most importantly, how to get free shoes for your avatars. I'm Rose from Encoder Fashion. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome CLO-3D tips like this. Happy designing and see you in the next video. Bye!